Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to customize page title, how to add option to show or hide page title on Shopify store. Also, how to show or hide page title on specific pages. Also, you will get the option to fully customize it like font size, font color, background color, font position, everything, because this is advanced type of free tutorials where you can learn everything for free. So let's get started. Right now you can see that I am on the about us page, one of the Shopify online store under development, and I have already published two articles in my YouTube channel, two video tutorials, how to remove page title on Shopify, also how to remove page title from a specific page from Shopify. But here you are going to learn something different. So let's dive into the tutorials. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to my Shopify admin panel, then click on the online store and let me open. Click on the customize, then go into the about us page. For example, go to this page, okay, and you can see that there are no option under the page to hide or show the page title or anything, just padding section or padding option, but we wanted to add maximum option for this page section. Okay, to do this you have to do just a simple things. Check out the video description, then you will get the free ready code snippet. By using this code snippet you can easily get this pchart or implement this pchart on your Shopify online store. So I'm going to show you the magic right now. First of all, go back, then click on this three dot icon under online store themes, edit code, and search page and open main page liquid under section folder. Open it. Okay, then I'm using drone theme, latest drone theme, so you don't worry about that because it's work on your store, be sure. Or otherwise if you face any problem, then simply comment on the video, then you get support from me. Okay, so remove all the code from here and simply add a new code from the code snippet link. Check out the video description, you will get the code snippet link and you can easily copy the code from my website e-commerce thesis. So I'm going to paste, click on the save. Okay, now go back, click on the customize and go to the about us page again. Okay, now click on the, you see, advanced page section, click on it and you see the option remove title, very easy. Okay, title alignment, you see, title color. Okay, also we can change the font size for mobile, font size for desktop. Yes, top margin, we can change the top margin, top padding. Also font family, we can select Google font or theme font and we can use font from here for Ubuntu or OpenSense. Just remove Ubuntu or use OpenSense. Okay, also you can change the background color of this full section. If you want to add different background, for example, I'm going to use F9, F9, F9. Looks here. Yes, and we can add gradient color in here if you want, also padding and margin section. So I hope you understand everything, how we have added this advanced theme option and how we can make our, let me make it white. Yes, click on the save. Perfect. So I hope you understand everything, how we have added this extra advanced page section and make it more controllable or make it more flexible for our own design or design by ourselves without any coding expert, without any developer. So I hope you will enjoy this tutorial. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.